Good day, ladies and gentlemen. If you're a forex trader, I'm going to be telling you the truth in this particular video. Your journey to profitability is going to be a long one. Yes, especially if you're a beginner forex trader. Your journey to profitability is going to be a long one, all right? You're going to spend hours upon hours upon hours on your phone screen or the screen of your computer trying to figure out a strategy, a system that actually works, okay? You're going to watch videos upon videos upon videos. You read books upon books trying to figure out how the market really works. Okay, you're going to be stressed out, your eyes are going to feel pain. You work in the morning, in the afternoon, at night. You're trying to figure out what strategy you are going to be using to engage the market. So it's going to be a whole lot of stress for you. And the truth of the matter is, most times when you finally enter the market and you place a trade, what you're going to see is negative balance. Okay, the reason why I know this so well is because I've also been at that stage as a forex trader. All right, so the thing is, the way it plays out is you're going to stress yourself a lot trying to figure out how the market really works, and then you watch videos, you try to study and you research. At the end of the day, you're going to come across a strategy or a system that actually seems to work. Okay, you do some back testing, it's going to be making sense, and then you get excited. But later, after further back testing and a little bit of forward testing, you find out that the system is not as good as you thought it was. Then you become a little bit sad, a little bit discouraged, a little bit, it's more like you've just wasted your energy, all the hours and all the times you've spent trying to master that system. So you go back to the beginning again, and then you go back to the beginning of the cycle and you start studying and researching, and the cycle goes on and on and on. Okay, so that's just the way it is. But I'm going to tell you something very important in this particular video. All right, so what if I told you that you could actually make the journey that is supposed to be long, the journey to profitability that is normally supposed to be long? Many of us took the long route. Okay, that is supposed to be long. You can actually make it short. Okay, you can actually make that journey short. And how are you going to go about making the journey short? You can make the journey short if you are good at actually following instructions. Okay, all you need to do is to be able to follow instructions. If you can follow instructions, then you are good to go. Follow instructions without attaching any emotions to it. Okay, so all you need is to follow instructions. Once you get a working system, all right, once you get a system that actually works, that have been proven to work, okay, not a system that seems to work, a system that's been proven to work. I have such systems. You can reach out to me if you want to get such systems, working systems that have been proven to work over time. Okay, once you get those systems, all you need to do is to follow instructions. If you can follow instructions over time, your edge is going to play out and you see the profits come. That is the shortcut. That's the only way you can reduce, how long it's going to take for you to be profitable. If you want to find it out yourself, you're going to find out that you'll be caught in a loop. Okay, it's going to be a loop, like a cycle. Okay, the beginning of the cycle is study and research. You study, you research, then you find a system that seems to work. It's not a proven system, it just seems to work. Okay, then you go ahead, you'll be excited, probably you even fund your account, and then with forward testing, you find out that the system is not as good as you thought it was. Then you go back and start the cycle again, studying and researching. The cycle is going to go on and on and on. To be very sincere with you, eventually, over time, you're going to still find out which system is going to work best for you if you want to do it on your own. But the thing is, it's going to take a whole lot of time and you might get discouraged along the way, especially if you end up losing, reasonable amount of money while you're still in the journey to find out the system that works for you. So I tell people the shortcuts, if you want to reduce your journey to profitability, the best thing is to find a mentor whose system makes sense to you or who you feel has the knowledge you need to acquire. It doesn't have to be me. Just find a mentor that you feel has the knowledge you want to acquire. And I tell people you might have to move from one mentor to the other. There are some people that before they finally became profitable, they had to go through 4 mentors. There are people that had to go to 3 mentors. Okay, remember back then when you were in school. Okay, not all teachers teach to your understanding. Okay, but they all receive the salary for teaching you, right? So they receive a salary for teaching you, but you just know, oh, probably a particular teacher not that he doesn't really know what he's teaching, but he's probably not that good at explaining it, so you find it difficult to actually get it. Okay, while there are some other teachers that once they teach you, you kind of, it sticks to your memory better. Okay, so that's just the way it is with mentors. Okay, not as if they don't know what they are saying or their system does not work, because probably it works for them. Okay, but it might not really work so well for you, or probably you did not really understand what they were explaining. Okay, so you might need to have probably move from one mentor to the other. You might be lucky that the very first mentor you have something to do with might, be the one that will click for you. Probably the system the mentor will teach you will be the one that really really resonates with your own personality as a trader, because we have different personalities as traders. There are traders that are aggressive, some are conservative. It all depends. Okay, so probably the first mentor you are going to work with will be the one that resonates with you, his system resonates with you, and you don't have to go get any other mentor. You just work with the system and you become profitable. Okay, but if you don't try, you won't know. Okay, that's just the truth of the matter. That's what this industry is about. Okay, if you want to find it out on your own, you want to find out everything on your own, it's going to take you a longer period of time. That's just the truth of the matter. Okay, so if you would like to reach out to me, definitely I'll drop the link in the comment section through which you can reach me. Like I said, I have a proven system that works. Okay, all you just need is to follow instructions and you are good to go. Alright, if you're a new viewer, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.